Season's greetings and happy holidays. I'm Sonia Falayan. Thanks for tuning in. I just wanted to get on here for just a few moments to remind you about the amazing holiday special I've got going on for credit repair. Did you know that you can remove from your credit report, permanently remove from your credit report, you can remove hard inquiries, student loan debt, late payments, medical debt, judgments, evictions, charge-offs, bankruptcies, child support, collections. Depending on your circumstances and how those debts were collected, most of these, at some point, all of these can be removed. Our system is an amazing system. You can see results in as little as 30 days. Certainly, you'll see results within 60 to 90 days. We have the whole complete system for you to use, including all the letters, all of the federally regulated letters, all the communications that you need in order to get your credit score where you want it to be. If you follow my channel, if you're a family member or if you're a friend, there's no reason why you should have a poor credit score. Not only do I have a holiday special going on, you can enroll in my credit repair program for $10. $10. But the offer is limited. There are only a few more days left to take advantage of this offer. I have had a couple of several weekend Black Friday and holiday weekend specials that thankfully people have taken advantage of that. I still have some slots left, but I'm only going to have this offer available for a few more days. So if you know that having a better credit score is where you want to be in 2025, if your credit score is in the 400s, 500s, or 600s, DM me credit so that you can get started. Let's get 2025 off to a great start. If your credit is not where you want it to be, it means you're actually losing money. So let's stop the bleed and keep the money in your pocket where it belongs. $10, y'all. So don't sleep on this one. Only a few more days left to take advantage. DM me credit and let's get started. All right. Happy holidays to all of you. I look to see you in the DMs. Thanks so much.